In this video, we are going to talk about best ways to make money with digital marketing. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Here's how to make money with digital marketing. 1. Content writing. They are very serious when they declare that content is king. It serves as the cornerstone around which the whole of the digital marketing campaigns and plans are built, and without it, nothing could actually scale. Therefore, there is a very good possibility that you will be able to generate income by marketing your article writing services. There is a wide variety of information out there, and digital marketing methods often base their work on that. Articles, blog entries, social media postings, and scripts for video posts are some of the most common types of these kinds of content. To get their brand off the ground, almost every company needs content writing services, which may be provided either in-house or remotely. Therefore, if you understand the precise talents that are necessary for content writing, you may easily make money doing it. Some of these talents are as follows: exceptional ability in the written word, abilities in keyword research, a familiarity with on-page search engine optimization techniques, talents in analysis in order to comprehend companies and comprehend their voices if you want to work as a professional content writer. Earning a bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, or journalism might provide you an advantage over others who do not have such an education. In addition, there are several courses accessible, some of which are free of charge while others need a fee and give practical instruction for the creation of material. 2. Make money with affiliate marketing. When it comes to digital marketing, one of the most lucrative methods to generate money is via affiliate marketing. You may increase your income by bringing in customers for the sales of the items offered by other companies. Affiliate marketing is a very straightforward method for generating income on a consistent basis. To become an affiliate marketer, all you need to do is search for things that you want to advertise, build a website that is related to those products, and attract traffic to your website from people who are likely to buy those products. Affiliate agreements may be structured in a couple of distinct ways, both of which are viable choices. Standalone programs require that you create an account directly with the business that makes the product, as well as with any affiliate networks that you may find. You are able to work via many relationships at the same time thanks to this feature. Because blogs are the sole major channel for marketing affiliate items, it is essential that you undertake in-depth keyword research before beginning your work in a certain niche. To establish how much traffic you would be able to drive in, it would be helpful to get an estimate. 3. YouTube advertising partner platform. If you are talented at generating videos and are seeking for methods to generate money via videos, one option to do so is to create a channel on YouTube and join the advertising partner program there. Earning money on YouTube may be done quickly and easily, but it does take some work. However, if you stick with it, your efforts will pay off in the long run as your following expands. Your area of expertise may serve as the basis for a channel, which you can use to share everything from simple how-to guides to in-depth instructional videos. In whatever you do, be sure to include some degree of originality and inventiveness so that you can differentiate yourself from the other businesses in your industry. 4. Freelancing. You may make money by registering for sites such as Fiverr and offering your services there. The owners of enterprises, such as home services and small businesses, are searching for digital marketing specialists to handle their company's digital marketing. Find a job on Fiverr with little competition and work on making it more appealing than the others. Once your job is live, you can begin placing bids on projects that are identical to it. Give the customer the proper response to their query. Your expertise in web marketing may get you started making money on the internet. clients who own businesses or offered services such as the creation and management of postings on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, as well as the management of their company pages and audiences. You might also provide services in copywriting and advertisement design. Begin with the service that has the lowest proportion of its competitors. 5. Blogging on paid platforms. There are many different platforms that provide content producers with access to creative services that they can utilize to make money. Platforms include but are not limited to the following. If you join the Medium Partner Program, you'll be able to make money by publishing material on Medium. This is possible thanks to the Medium Partner Program. Joining the Medium Partner Program does not cost anything. Register in order to get started earning. Clubhouse will in the future compensate users for their creative efforts and imaginative ideas in accordance with the terms of the Creator First Accelerator program that Clubhouse has established. Keep an eye on developments. In 2006, HubPages was established as a network that distributes income and is comprised of user-generated content. In 2016, the business model of the firm transitioned from operating out of a single location to operating out of many locations. On this website, you have the ability to post articles and earn money depending on the number of people that visit such articles. The amount of money paid to authors is established by a formula that takes into primary consideration the number of display adverts that are generated by each piece. The Newsbreak platform is responsible for the aggregation and publication of digital and local news. Newsbreak is able to claim over 23 million monthly subscribers while having more than 10,000 content suppliers. There have been about 50 million installations recorded for the app all over the world, spanning both iOS and Android devices, with the United States accounting for more than 99% of those downloads. Joining Steemit is an option for writers who are also interested in blogging. In addition to its Bitcoin features, Steemit also has a robust social component. On Steemit, you have the ability to upvote, downvote, follow subjects, and publish your own material, among other things. On their website, the firm provides information on the compensated partnership program that they provide. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.